Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming at you another sneaker mystery box video, guys. This one is not your typical Friday sneaker mystery box though, because this one is literally a complete mystery. I did not buy this box. It randomly showed up at my house and I saw who sent it, and I was pretty excited because the sender of this box is actually Soul Steals, which you guys know pretty well from like the mystery boxes and stuff. So I'm excited to see what's in this one today. I did get an email with this, which is why I'm pretty excited too, because this box is not for me. This box is more geared for you guys, because what the email said, and I can read it out over here for you guys now, basically it's talking about giving away all the shoes in this box. So listen to this real quick. The email title was "Been a While" and obviously sent from Soul Steals Inc. It says, "Hey Bryson and Untied family, today you're going to receive a random box from us that contains 5 pairs of shoes. Make sure you open the top. These are all pairs that we are going to give away in whatever the winner sizes are. The lower you go in the box, the better the shoes. Enjoy, and thank you to all the Soul Steals members from the Untied Hawaii family. All members from the Untied Hawaii family can enter for each shoe." I gotta tell this guy, we're not using the word Untied family. We're the Untied Ohana, man. I gotta help him out with that. Untied Ohana, not Untied family, man. If you're watching this, Scott, Ohana. It means family, and family means nobody gets left behind. You guys have watched Lilo and Stitch, you know what it is. Anyway, let's get into this mystery box. I'm very excited because, again, these are all for you guys. And before I open it up, I guess I should stay really fast. Like, if you guys don't know who Soul Steals is, you've probably been living under a rock or something, because Soul Steals is literally the best place to get sneakers. And if you guys go to the actual website, it's all like under cost and stuff. And the reason why they're able to do this, and the reason why it's not a scam, is because you pay a membership fee to be a Soul Steals member. And so because you're paying that fee, and because other people are paying that fee and stuff, that's why they're able to drop the prices on shoes lower and lower and lower. And if you guys are fast enough to cop, you guys will get steals on there like all the time. Like, I've consistently been buying beater boxes on there. I've been a member for a long time. I know what's up. I know it's legit. So if you guys already are Soul Steals members, just make sure you guys use the link in the description to like enter for these. If you guys aren't members yet, sign up today, because literally you guys can get all of those deals that I just talked about: sneakers under cost, access to mystery boxes, access to beater boxes, and whatever we see in here, you guys can enter for this. So it doesn't matter if you guys are like month members or week members, however long you want to sign up for, just make sure you sign up so you guys have a shot at getting these. You're not competing against other Soul Steals members that aren't watching the channel. It has to be from the link in this video. So that's why it's important, because your guys' chances are very good. It's not like 1 in 100,000. It's more like maybe 1 in 100, couple thousand. I don't know how many of you guys are members, but yeah, it's a very, very good chance. So make sure you guys enter. And let's see what we got, man. It looks like there's probably about 5 shoes in here based off of the height of the box, so that's what we're expecting. 5 sneakers, meaning 5 different winners, hopefully. And the first one off the top is my favorite type of box, the Jordan 1 box. And this one is in a size 10, but like he said in the email, you guys can actually pick your size. So if you're size 8 or size 12 or size 15, I guess you can pick any of those sizes. First shoe that he's giving away is a personal favorite of mine, the Jordan 1 Mochas. Jordan 1 Mochas, boys and girls, this thing is sick. Literally, like, I don't want to use the word slept on, but a lot of people are not buying these now when they should, because the Mochas are fire. And I know for sure, like, this time next year, like literally if you come back a year from now in April 2022, these things are probably going to be close to $1,000. Like, they're already like halfway there, but trust me, they're gonna keep going up. These things are sick. And I mean, look at it close up, guys. This thing is just on point. Again, this is called the Mocha because of the brown back here on the shoe. Rest of the shoe is like a standard black lining throughout, black Nike swoosh, and then the white panels throughout the shoe. So very simplistic colors, easy to match with like any kind of denim, shorts, even whatever you guys want to wear with these. It matches everything, which is why I like it. Some people call it, I guess, the poor man Travis Scott ones, because it does look very similar, just without the backward swoosh and, like, you know, the extra like bougie stuff in there, the stash pocket, like the little like thing on the back. It's close enough, guys, and for the price, it's close enough. Next one out of this box is here. We got another Jordan 1 box, also in the size 10. And for this one, I'm hoping that this is the, let's see, University Blues. Is that what you guys want to win? Let's go with that. University Blues. It smells super new. Hey, and it is a pair of the University Blue ones that just came out. Literally, this is the first time I'm seeing this in hand. So my take on this, this is pretty nice. I might have to cop a pair of these for myself. This is sick. University Blue Jordan 1s, dude. Obviously, like, based off of like the UNCs, but not with that kind of leather. It's more like a muted like suede or nubuck back here. But you guys can see, like, on these middle panels, the leather is pretty solid over here. It's like a supple leather. Love those blue soles over here. So this is the second one you guys can win. A shoe that I don't even have yet, so I probably should get on that and get one too. Dude, he's right though. It is getting better like the deeper we go down in here, because this next one's an expensive shoe. So The third shoe that Soul Steals will be giving away in collaboration with the Untitled Hana is this one over here, a size 8. Again, if you guys can't pick your size though, so don't worry about the size too much. So the next one we got here, obviously a pair of Union 4s, but what colorway? Oh, dude, okay, it's the good color. Well, I don't know, controversial. Some people really like the Guava Ice, but for me, these Off Noir Jordan 4 Unions, this was a fire colorway for me. Like, I really love this shoe. Super nice colorway and easily recognizable. I mean, that blue, black, like this muted yellow over here on the bottom, and these hits of pink on the shoe, it just really pops and makes a lot of people stop on the streets and be like, okay, this guy's got swag. Really clean, and like I mentioned, you can actually pull out these like stitchings, these yellow stitchings over here, and it does pop up the tongue, and you guys are able to like wear it like with a regular Jordan 4 tongue. I heard that they're making like new colorways of this in 2021 too. There's like a brown one, I think, and some other like pretty like earthy color. I can't remember what the second one was, but still OG. I'm gonna go with this one as the best one out of the 4. Okay, so we do have like 2 shoes left in here. Next one is this one over here, purple Nike SB box, the first Nike SB of this one. This one is a size 10.5, and what do we have here? Wait, okay, I don't know why in my head I saw purple and I was like, okay, this is probably one of those Atmos Nike SBs, and I was like, okay, that's cool. But then I opened it and instantly saw this. Like, what the heck? Somebody's gonna win a pair of Nike SB Supremes. This is wild, and this is the first time I'm seeing it in hand, so I'm pretty pumped on this. This is the black pair Nike SB Supremes. These things just came out. That's crazy, dude, because this goes for at least, I think, a little over $1,000 bucks, so it's very, very expensive, man. I'm kind of blown away. This is really cool. Very generous to Soul Steals, dude. Obviously stands out because it does have like these gold stars on the mid panel over here, also on the mid panel back here, and the leather is like reminiscent of like a crocodile pattern running throughout the swoosh. Another iconic thing over here is the Dubre, and it has Supreme written on there in gold, and the last thing that stands out is this world famous Supreme like hang tag on the shoe too. This was one of those shoes where people were like, even myself included, were like, okay, I'm waiting for it to drop to maybe like 600 or 700, because on like release day it was going for like 8 or 9, you know, and I wanted a better price, so I was like, I'll just wait a week, the price will go down. Dude, I waited a week, the prices were at like 1,300, 1,400, and for the green pair, I think they're going for like 2 grand. So literally an insane sneaker over here, and a lot of people can't afford it, even myself included. That's why I haven't bought one yet, because it is pretty pricey now. And yeah, you guys are able to get this one in a giveaway. That is so sick. So that's crazy. I can't imagine what is more expensive than this. But for the last pair of this, okay. Oh man, I am dude, this happens to me every time. Can you guys see this? In Hawaii we call this chicken skin. Some people call it goosebumps. That's your boy, because oh my gosh, dude, it's all over my body. This is crazy. Look, can you guys see this? Sorry, I know it looks like I'm flexing muscles and stuff, but I just want you guys to see all these bumps. Like, literally I'm freaking out. This is not like, you know, me acting or anything, but I'm just really excited because somebody watching this video right now is gonna win this, and it's a crazy shoe. I'm just like pausing over here because look at this. Oh my gosh, Soul Steals is giving somebody from the Untitled Hana one of these sneakers of the year. You guys already know, or half of you guys know, what we're about to open up right here. I'm like stuttering and stuff because this is crazy. First things first, you guys can see, obviously legit. Soul Steals is always 100% legit. All of these trophy rooms come with like this blue like ticket thing. So that's in here. And for the shoe itself, man, Soul Steals is giving away a pair of trophy rooms. Dude, this is why I'm so happy too. Like, I just want to say, like, this is what makes me like really love doing the sneaker thing, and why I really like gravitate towards businesses that are like legit, nice, and just help me and also help the channel. Because dude, I can't afford a giveaway for you like this. Like, I'm not like the level of like Harrison Neville or like Heis Omar. I'm not making nearly as much money as they do. So to give away shoes like this out of pocket is just not possible for me, because this thing goes for like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, man. So it's very, very expensive. And I don't know, I can't do it. So the fact that, you know, Soul Steals comes through and they're like, hey man, we're gonna give this to the Ohana, like that, it just makes me feel real good. It makes me feel really, really good, because I can't do this for you guys. So I feel blessed that we can give this stuff away, and somebody's gonna win all of the 4 that we saw plus this. There's gonna be a winner that wins this. This is insane. Obviously one of the most hyped sneakers of the year. This one did drop at Marcus Jordan, Michael Jordan's son's trophy room store, and it had a lot of controversial things about it. This one doesn't look to be the friends and family one because it doesn't have those blue laces that people were like hyping up and saying, you know, he was trying to like basically hide it and say, okay, he wasn't backdooring sneakers when we all know he was. Soles on the bottom, clear, but it does have like those freeze out vibes and also those stars underneath. I'm really like surprised because Sole Steals did not tell me what he was gonna send. He kind of like alluded in that email, like I mentioned, he's gonna give away a couple sneakers, and like it wasn't like, it didn't feel hype. So I was like, okay, you know, maybe like a couple like $100 shoes, $200 shoes. Literally the cheapest shoe that he's giving away is $400, those Jordan 1 Mochas, and the most expensive is a $3,000 pair of sneakers, maybe $4,000 pair of sneakers. I don't know what the prices are anymore. So essentially, what we just saw was about over $5,000 worth of shoes Sole Steals is giving away specifically to the Untitled Hana. So again, I know I'm trying to like sell this or whatever, but it doesn't matter. Like, I don't get paid for this. I'm not sponsored by this or anything. It's just, we have like this, you know, connection and stuff where he helps out me and like does giveaways and stuff in collaboration because he knows I can't afford it. So that's literally like all I get out of it. But if you guys do cop a Sole Steals membership, if you guys already have one, I honestly think it's worth it. Like, you guys can get a lot of steals and deals on there. Like, every single week they drop like bundles of shoes. Also, one of the only ways you're able to cop mystery boxes from Soul Supremacy because they are partners. But on top of that, not only does he give like giveaways for like specifically Untitled Hawaii viewers, but you guys are able to enter his regular giveaways too with like all of the Sole Steals members. Those are like harder to win because there's so much people on there. This one is so much more obtainable because if you aren't watching this video, you're not going to be able to enter, which is crazy. So you guys have an edge. Buy a membership for like a week if you guys want to just test it out or whatever, one drop. Just enter for this if you want. It's very, very affordable. So if you guys want to see the shoes again in review, all 5 of these are being given away and there will be 5 different winners. So good luck to all of you guys, man. And make sure you guys comment down below which one you guys are most excited to win. Obviously the trophy room ones, but I want to see your guys' answers still. And I will say that the winner will also be announced on Sole Steals Instagram. So make sure you guys follow them on Instagram because I don't want people coming back and being like, okay, was this a rigged giveaway? Who's the winners and stuff? It's never rigged. Sole Steals is always legit. He always posted on Instagram. You guys got to be following though and looking at the stories because that's where he posted. So make sure you guys have notifications on because you just might win. Anyway, that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots! Oh my gosh, there's a lot of shoes here.